A baby's brain grows rapidly during the first 12 months, which is what sets the pace and tone for later progress and development. Infants who have right stimuli and environment in these crucial stages have better coordination, concentration, memory, behavior, and perception as they get older. This pack contains a range of amazingly curated activities which help nurture your child's cognitive and sensory fundamental needs. Bright Start is an especially designed skill booster kit for ages 0 to 1. The material in this pack are curated to aid cognitive and sensorial skill development of growing infants. Each activity is progressively mapped to the developmental milestones of this age group. High contrast cards, introduction of basic colors. High contrast cards, black and white. Milestone cards, DIY Cotmobile, lacing board, Velcro board, and shapes cutouts. Keepsake cards, texture cards, milestone poster. Along with the kit, you get a year-long free subscription of the ClassMonitor app, which includes a detailed parent guide, including all the details of how to conduct these activities, daily planners, DIY activity videos, parenting tips, and a resource library. All of this to help the parents make their child's learning journey more easy and fruitful from the comfort of their home.